abafethu ezinonke nibona ukuthi ngiphethe uScott Maphuma akekho umuntu ongamazi yabo but ke so shaya into fast Grootman lami as abantu bakuyena eMzansi bakwazi as uScott Maphuma ngizocela ukuthi usintroduce ngegama lakho lamampela nangesibongo nangekaso buya kulo for abantu abangakwazi.
No, ngegama nguMpho Kalibashwa ngibuye Davidson 1520 danko.
So igama lika Scott siqale kanjani libuyaphi?
Into zasesikehle lamaprana into zasesikehle.
So namhlanje mo soccer player we want to talk more about music so khuluma ngebhola. So as someone ofamila ngebhola famila ngibonile Grootman umnandi jersey number 10 ashana noma ubani leyo number leyo. So iGrootman ku Prosat ngaba favor yipi team?
No, mina ngikhosi maprana. Mina ngikhosi sho.
Just iphakanisha nje.
No, ngiyasupport iBrian Kabelo Dlamini yabo. Yeah, so but mina ngikhosi matha. Yeah.
So back in the days uScott Maphuma sadlala ibhola, makadlala yipi position?
Ngidlala la bengidlala khona mhla bengi attacking.
Sure.
Attacking midfield maphela. Yeah, so bengisesigubhini kakhulu but esikhathini esiningi ngi all rounder. Yakhona ukudlala anywhere because most dlala ibhola yakhona ukudlala anywhere. Yeah, but kakhulu bengi attacking midfield. Yeah.
So as someone osokhulile ngokomqondo omdala, sometimes mawudlala ibhola khona abantu abazokcriticize kube khona ipressure egroundini. So wena as uScott Maphuma uyihandlela kanjani ipressure and uziprepare kanjani for ama game afana nalawo?
No, mina ngisendlile for ipressure is handle for me maphela. Yeah, shoot the pressure nana yize mile zibe worried ngami, you understand? Yeah. Mina ngikho worried ngapha pressure or anything. It's football mathala anything can happen.
Sure.
Yeah, no, yabona sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, yabona. So it's like that for me. Yeah.
So ngizocela ukutesta ifootball knowledge yakho Grootman lami. So currently ku PSL ngicela unginemele 3 favorite players yakho.
Yami.
Yeah.
PSL.
Sure.
Ngithanda le defender lela ku Pirates uSibisi. Akusa nginasho ukuthi bani igama lakhe. But ngithandela uSibisi matsala ungenzela into right.
Sure.
And then Tito Maswangani and then Kabelo Dlamini na kanjani.
As you know ukuthi overseas khona ama highly rated midfielders uPedro, uVitina, uJude Bellingham. Lo ma player lawo engwa-mention like 3 start 1 bench 1 and sell.
Start 1 bench 1
and sell.
Between
Pedri, Vitinha and Jude Bellingham.
No, I sell Pedri number 1.
Sure.
Then I start with Vitinha and then ngifaka Bellingham ebenchini as a sub.
Alright. So Grootman into encane yasekhaya efuna ukufana nawe ungayigay advise uthini?
Ayithandaze. Yeah, ayithandaze jo. Then everything izosenzakalela. Yeah, uNkulunkulu nizokwenzakalena.
Sure. Grootman ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho.
Bonga mina masaka.
Much. More music this year.
More music this year, yeah, on easy.
Ask now.
Thank you.